Wow.
Nice
44
surprise.
years. That's amazing. You know, we all have refrigerators. Imagine what it'd be like if you didn't have one. Well, one woman bought a warranty program for hers. It was just a few years old when it started acting up. They sent a repairman, but it's been months now and the family still doesn't have a working refrigerator. So she called KENS. What did that refrigerator cost?
I prefer not to say, but it was like in the 3,000s.
$3,000?
Yes.
You're kidding.
I'm not. I wish I was.
Appliances are expensive, so you expect them to last. Yolanda McGee's refrigerator was doing fine until last September when, admittedly, she broke the water filter. McGee called a repairman.
So he came in and he changed the water housing filter along with the water line.
That's when McGee bought the Sears warranty plan. Shortly after that, she says the refrigerator started making gurgling sounds, but she thought it was just air in the line. Then it started making other noises. So a different repairman came and replaced some parts, and it worked for a few days. Then another repairman.
In the interim of all that, I don't know if it's what happened with or if it's just incidental that then the refrigerators start acting up.
A fourth different repairman, then a fifth. The problem kept changing, and so did the parts.
They've been out a total of about 8 times, and they tell me that they're going to replace the refrigerator, but then they don't.
It still doesn't work, and now there's this.
So that's it. That's that beautiful noise
It does that all the time?
all day. It'll stop for a few seconds, and then it comes back on.
As you might imagine, she's done.
What do you want?
I want a new refrigerator. I want them to honor what's in their contract.
McGee says she's been told 3 times they would replace the refrigerator, but each time she calls, another repairman comes to replace parts. So we sent an email to the warranty company, which responded right away, saying they had made numerous attempts to repair the refrigerator, but ultimately had to cut their losses, saying, quote, "We authorized for Ms. McGee to receive a replacement under the terms of her warranty at no charge to Ms. McGee. Since Sears did not have a comparable replacement readily available, we authorized a check in lieu of a direct replacement."
Spoke with McGee yesterday, too. She told me she should have that refrigerator. They emailed her and called her and said she should have it in a couple of weeks. Now, or check anyway. Now, if you have something you can't seem to get resolved, give us a call, 210-470-KENS, or head over to KENS5.com/call KENS. There's a form there. You fill that out, and, maybe we can try to get you some help as well.
Especially
awesome.
$3,000 fridge.